Rescuing my family's GX470.
My parents' GX470 got stranded in the middle of the road. Was able to get it off the road with the jumper, but wasn't enough to get it home.
Oh shit.
Oops. And as y'all guessed it, it needs a new battery, so here I am taking the old one out so I can go and swap it for a new one. And so I don't have to pay for the court fee.
Come out here, pivot to the side if it's possible. Very good. Alright, I'm gonna keep you right there. Okay. So it's gonna need a new battery.
Damn, that battery is heavier than a Honda Civic. Nonetheless, we got her loaded up and I fixed my tools a little bit and I headed straight to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's, please sponsor me. I gave them the old one and got the new one loaded up. Also got some brake cleaner while I was there. With the new battery load up, let's head back to the other GX so we can get her home. And hopefully we don't need an alternator.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. Yeah, moment of shit. Moment of truth. Woo! She started. Alright. She's revving. Yeah.
Was able to get her home, but she needs an alternator. Follow for part 2.